Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm going to go through some common problems that students at A-level maths struggle with when they're doing practice papers, when they're revising for exams, or just generally in their journey when they're encountering new topics. So this is one of the first of a series of videos that I'm going to release, and the first one is called Fraction Mayhem, and specifically within algebraic fractions. So often when we're dealing with algebraic fractions, or it could be like questions around range or domain, we could get questions where you can get a bit of a weird or ugly scenario like this. So you've got like an overall fraction, and then you've got fractions within that. And lots of students struggle with this type of thing. They just look at that and they get overwhelmed. My exam hint for you is to treat this numerator separately and treat this denominator separately. So I always advocate on really clear working here. So I'm going to take my numerator to the side, okay, and I'm going to make this fraction as simple as it could possibly be, because I've got this fraction here plus a number. I think that could be rewritten. So I'm going to take that to the side, x plus 5, x plus 2, plus 2. Now that 2 is like 2 over 1, okay? So what we can now do is just think, okay, how can I add these two fractions? They need to have a common denominator. So I'm going to multiply by x plus 2. So when I do that, I'm going to get x plus 5 plus 2x plus 2 all over x plus 2. So my numerator, instead of looking like this, let's just do a bit of tidying up here. 2x plus 4 all over x plus 2. My numerator becomes 3x plus 7 over x plus 2. Okay, oops, not 7, it's going to be 9. Okay, so that's my numerator sorted. What about my denominator? Well, let's take that onto a separate bit of working, and let's deal with that. We're going to do exactly the same thing here. We're going to do x plus 4 over x plus 2 minus 3. Now that 3 is like 3 over 1. So I don't want it to be 3 over 1, I want it to be something over x plus 2, so I've got to multiply top and bottom of that by x plus 2. Okay, and when we do that, we get x plus 4 minus 3x minus 6 all over x plus 2, which gets me to minus 2x minus 2 all over x plus 2. Now at this point you might be thinking, so what Ash, you just done your numerator, your denominator. Well hold on, your numerator is actually this now, 3x plus 9 over x plus 2. That is your numerator now, and that is physically being divided by that denominator, which we've understood to be minus 2x minus 2 over x plus 2. That is what the problem now becomes. And now we can do keep, flip, multiply, which you learned from GCSE. Keep the first fraction as it is, 3x plus 9 over x plus 2, keep that, flip the second fraction on its head, and then you'll notice what cancels out, and we'll get this. That's our final answer. So, big takeaway here, when you have got fractions within fractions and you've got to sort things out, treat the numerator separately, treat the denominator separately, bring them together at the end and show your clear working. Thank you.